If you're looking for some extra fonts for your Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic embroidery machine, you can go to husqvarnaviking.com and download the free Premiere Plus 2 software, and in there is something called Quick Font. Quick Font allows you to download any font from your computer and turn it into an embroiderable font. And if you've seen fun fonts on websites and you can download those into your computer, a PC or a Mac, then they can turn into embroiderable fonts. Here are some that we have tried out, and you can really have some fun with some amazing styles. Now, there are a few that you might not want to use. If there's a lot of squiggles and brush strokes, you want to stick to things that are a little bit more solid, but this pretty much allows embroidery users to have access to fonts to their heart's content. So you're not limited to just the handful of fonts that are in your machine, and then also too, you can turn them into appliques, you can have them different sizes, and then they come in as a font on the machine, and then you type them out just like you type out a font that is built in. You'll have the access to the keyboard to add them into the machine. Here is one font I have in my machine right now that I have made from a downloadable font. So when I type it in, it will go ahead and come in the screen just like a regular font. That's what you're actually creating. So you have control of, like I said, size. If you want it to be an outline, if you want it to be an applique, you get a lot more options when you use that free software that Viking provides you.